Okay, y'all, I'm about to do some meal prepping. This week I'm gonna have salad. So when I'm cutting up vegetables and things, or just cooking period, I like to get a bowl with a plastic bag in it. And that's just like my trash, what I put my, trash in as I cook. And what I'm doing now is cutting up some radishes. You guys like radishes on your salad? Cut off the bad spots. So I said I'm gonna try something different this week. So that's what it looks like once you finish. There you go. So I clean my area off. Next we're gonna do our broccoli. This is whole pieces of broccoli. And I just cut the ends off, and all I'm gonna do, I've already washed it. Just gonna break the pieces off. Because this is going on my salad, so. When you cut the stems off, you're left with this, and you can just peel it. You see how handy that is, just having your bowl right there? All I'm doing is cutting the stem off. It's already been washed. And you see how you left with this? All you're doing is breaking them off. If you don't want the stems to be so big, you can cut them off. All you're doing is break them off. That's all I'm doing. When I cook broccoli, I leave the stems on, but I don't want too much stems, those thick, hard stems whenever, I'm eating them in my salad. You can, but you can leave them on there if you like, but I just cut them off. There's your broccoli. So next we're going to do the onions. I already did my carrots. Usually I have a bag of carrots I do myself, but I bought the ones already shredded. So what I did, I just went ahead and washed them off. I still like to wash that off, even though they're already shredded. I like to still wash them off. And all I do is just cut my onion. It's probably a bad angle for you guys to see. But if I put the camera on the other side, it's really it's bad position. I'm just slicing this. You guys like onion on your salad? I do. And just cut it down the middle. And I basically just do it like that. Break them apart. Like so. I think onions make a salad. That's done. There's your onions. What about a little mushroom? You guys like mushrooms? I've already cleaned these. And now all I'm going to do is just cut them up. Mushrooms are real easy to cut up. They're very soft. I put a little bit of some in my salad, but also I'll probably do some breakfast items, so I'll probably use a little bit of this mushroom for that. But whenever I wash them, I like to break the stem out. That I didn't break out, but I break the stem out, take the stem out because the stem is like this, so I'll break it out and I wash it. Because a lot of times you have dirt and whatnot in the inside of the mushroom. So make sure you clean your mushrooms real good. And these are the stems. And I'm just cutting them. There's your mushrooms. So now we're going to do a lettuce. I've used some of this lettuce before, so it's already been washed. So what I usually do, I wash it. As you see, I put it in my Ziploc bag. Put that to the side if I need it. And I'm just going to, where it's been set, just cut off the bad spots, the brown spots. In half. And even though I've already washed it, I still like to wash it again once I cut it. I probably should have got my bigger knife and it'd be easier to cut. Just cut it and put it in the strainer. And just cut it. And I just cut it across. That's why I said my bowl is handy. So anytime you see any brown spots, all you gotta do is just throw it in there. You just get it, break it up. Break it up. Break it up. And I like to give it a good washing again. So there's your lettuce. So this is your finished products. You got your lettuce, your spinach, onion, broccoli, carrots, radishes, and mushrooms. So what we're going to do now, we're going to make our salads for the week. So now I'm going to assemble my salads. So I work Monday through Friday, so I want to go ahead and make 5 salads for the week. And my lettuce is still kind of draining. So my hands are clean. These are my salads, so I'll just put me some salad lettuce at the bottom. There's your lettuce. Let's put a little spinach. Some people break the spinach up. You can if you want to. It's up to you. Totally up to you. I'll break it up a little bit. Sometimes I do and sometimes I don't. Put a little more in this one. And we're just going to build our salad. Put your little relish on the side. How do you do yours? Do you guys put it like restaurants do, like all in one side, or do you spread it? I do it both ways. Sometimes I spread it, but today we're going to put it, you know, try to make it look fancy like a restaurant. That was my radishes. Little carrots. Little carrot. Put our mushrooms over here. Like I said, these are my salads, so, and plus my hands are clean, so. Put your little broccoli. Y'all don't mind the noise in the background. You know, folks, trying to do a video, they making noise. And then the onions. I love onions, so you just put your onions in there. I said I like my onions. And there you have it. You got your salad for the week. And so, y'all, I do different salads. This week, I just, wanted a little, just my veggies. Sometimes, I do the meats and the cheese and eggs, but that's what I wanted on it. So that's my salads that I'll have prepped for the week.